I sitting by my hotel, and I want to explain why we here. Actually, what's going on? We came to the city called Lviv, and here we're gonna meet my mother. She came from Germany, and we go to mountains to spend time there, a little bit rest, chill, you know, and really just family trip as always, you know. I mean, that's always the best trips, and I'm really excited. Right now I'm getting ready. It's look like this. I'm drinking orange fresh, and we're gonna to hang out in the city. It's a beautiful city. I've been here came here and literally walking I think 5 years ago, and I'm really excited because it's so beautiful. I'm gonna show you all the beauty of this city. So let's come with me. Guys, look my outfit. Check it out. Stay. My dad said that he embarrassed of me because I'm wearing boots. It's literally like so hot outside, and he was like, "Are you really gonna wear it? I'm not going anywhere with you. It's so hot." But we do this for beauty, you know. Guys, I'm so happy because you know what? Oh, look at this, my car. It's fit me so good. I bought a new purse. Look at it. She's beautiful, and she's like, oh, she matching with my boots. I show you. I'm so happy. I mean, I can't even explain. I love purses. The moment before I have a collection of purses, and then I was like, I don't need all of them, and I throw it. But right now, I'm back in. I have so good mood. I have so good energy, and I see how people notice this. They staring at me. Energy, it's all. Just remember this. I don't know. Take notes or something. Energy is all. We're gonna to eat, and for sure we show you. Це просто, це точно. Можна? We finally arrived. My eyes, as always, bright like something when I'm in mountains. It's just unexplainable things. I just want to show you something. Hey guys, we came to chill to, I don't know how does it say, spa or something, and look at the view. Can you imagine we just would chill here swimming and see view like this? We absolutely deserve it. And here is the hot water, and also we have a sauna, so it's gonna be pretty chill evening just with family. Guys, look! That's the rain right now. It's unbelievable feeling. You're just chilling after a sauna. It's a cold water. It's a blessing. It's a huge blessing. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. And we're gonna walk in a local place where all of the tradition of this region gonna show us. I'm so excited. I love places like that, and it's so beautiful. I buy flowers from the local kids. They're so beautiful. I love this type of flowers. I can say that's my favorite. А де Яна?
А Яна пішла.
Нате, тримайте вам. Ви молодці, що працюєте, що все робите. Все, давайте, гарного вечора.
Ви блогерка?
Я трошки, да. Guys, so another day, it's third day officially we're here, and right now we go to rafting. We would swim. I probably cannot show you because it's not safe taking my phone with me, but as much as possible. So let's go.
Там будемо проїжджати, де ми ото проїжджали Юру.
Мам,
Дякую. Що?
а почекайте, можна потім?
А потім на потім.
Хвостик треба буде опустити.
Хвостик? Що зробити?
Опустити на рівень шиї або хлопці дають? Я.
Guys, are you ready for the adventure? That's how we look. We have guitar costume, safe jacket, and helm. So guys, look at this. We in the river. It's look like this, and here's the boat. So we're gonna sit down here and let's down the river. That would be so interesting. I was there one time in my life and I'm absolutely love it. So I'm just like, parents should try too. And here we are. Guys, we ended up our journey rafting, and right now we're eating. Look at the view that we're eating. Wow.
Guys, я ще салатик покусила.
Давай. Guys, I'm ready for the photo shoot. It's not that important how I look, my makeup or something, because like the other things more important, like horses and all this stuff. Oh my god, I hope everything gonna be alright, and make it happen, because that's my huge dream, actually. Have photo shoot like this. I have work right now. I'm a little bit hurried, but oh. Це постійно? Дуже круто.
Ходи.
Guys, it's end of our trip. It's the last day. Today is the day when we arrive to home. I was successful photo shoot yesterday with horses. It's not the way that I want. It's understandable because I feel so bad. I don't have energy. I'm sick. It's a little bit sad, but it's okay. So I want to say thank you so much for watching and see you soon because we have a lot of things happen next this summer. I hope so. So have a good day and good life. Bye.